Madwar 400 ruħ tilfu ħajjithom u eluf oħra spiċċaw bla saqaf fuq rashom kawża ta' għar-rijabilitazzjoni li seħħ fl-Indja fl-istat ta' Kerala fit-tmiem il-ġimgħa li għadda. One News tkellem ma' membri minn fondazzjoni Maltija ta' dan il-post fejn qalu li mijiet ta' soldati u għexieren ta' dgħajjes u helikopters bħalissa qegħdin jaħdmu qatih biex jevalwaw persuni mill-għar-rijabilitazzjoni li qatt esperjenza l-pajjiż.
We often used to say that the intensity of rainwater is reduced every year, but this was not the case in this year. The rain lashed out, destroying everything like a nightmare. Still, the people are stranded in their houses, waiting for the provisions like food and clean water.
The effects of rain was so much bigger than what we expect, because most of the people never expect such a big, and thousands of people stranded and hundreds died, and nearly 400 people died.
F'Malta joqogħdu madwar 3000 persuna minn Kerala u l-fondazzjoni li bnew qed torganizza diversi inizjattivi sabiex jinġabru flus għal mijiet ta' nies li minħabba l-għargħar spiċċaw ta' fuqhom senduqhom.
At the moment, Kerala is under a biggest devastation that we ever met. So people helping hand each other, even the militaries, the government, but according to our government, 200,000 of crores of money we need to help them to rehabilitation, to rebuild the houses, especially the poor. For them to build a house, it's their dream in whole their life. They spend their money to build a house, and it's completely lost.
Is-Sur Fl-Indja spjega kif minħabba d-diżastru li qed jiġri fl-Indja kellhom komunikazzjoni l-meta ħafna mal-qraba u l-ħbib tagħhom li jinsabu hemm. Iżda kif minkejja kollox in-nies xorta jinsabu magħquda.
At the moment, the communication what we have with our relatives, some of the friends went for the vacation. We lost for last 1 week. Right now, we start getting some messages and all from them, but still the situation it's not easy, as we say. The situation in Kerala, it is beyond what we can imagine. The good thing is that our people are united at the moment.
Intant u maħsub li s-sitwazzjoni jaf tigrava kif mistennija aktar xita kif ukoll riħ qawwi matul tmiem il-ġimgħa.